Voting opens soon for the Students' Union leadership elections, and all students here at the University of Worcester are eligible to vote. Here's a quick guide of how you can cast your vote online and from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget, you can also find us on campus throughout the voting period. First things first, make sure you're logged in to the website. Then head over to www.walksu.com/vote. From here, you can view the list of different roles and candidates standing for election. Once you've done this, you can start voting by clicking the green Vote Now button. First though, you have to click Agree to the terms and conditions. In this election, there will be a number of different positions that you can vote for. These are SU President, Vice President Education, and Vice President Student Activities. Remember, you only have one vote for each position. It's really important that you number the candidates in order of preference. Number 1 would be the candidate who you think deserves the role the most. Number 2 would be your second choice, and you can number as many or as few candidates as you'd like. If at any stage you believe the candidates you have numbered are not suitable for the position, vote for reopen nominations. Then simply click on the image of each candidate in order of preference and then click Cast Vote. Once this is done, you'll be automatically directed to vote for the next officer positions. The process will be exactly the same for every position. It only takes a matter of seconds, so cast your vote wisely and have your say.